going on, guys? Welcome back to Just Giver Garage. Today on this episode, the Just Giver girls are going to be ceramic coating a Jeep. It's going to be awesome. They're going to take you through all the steps. Let's get into it.
This is my 2018 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon. We're going to take care of some rust spots here on the door. It's from brake dust, gets into the clear coat of the paint. To try and fix these spots, we're going to use the iron remover, the clay bar kit, and the ceramic coat kit. What I'm going to do is I'm going to spray this on to all the rust spots. Do not get it on the rubber or the handles, so make sure you only get it on the doors and the spots that have the rust. You're going to wait until it turns black and starts going down the paint, and then we're going to wash the vehicle completely, and then we're going to clay bar it. I'm going to spray some here. As you can tell, it's already turning black. Okay.
So as you can see here, all of the rust is dripping in a black color. That means that it is working. Do not let it dry on there.
Alright, well, I'm going to start pressure washing her and giving her a wash down just to make sure none of it stays on the paint.
I hit record a drop, you can't ignore it. I'm transforming now these cars and planes, I'm always boarding. Just out touring down in Charlotte like I play for Hornets. When I'm performing, never boring, now you can't afford it. Champagne Perrier, Vintage friends on my face, looking like I'm from the deep. These no Cartiers, pockets deep, 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 bro. I can make it in my seat, bro. Do you, I'm doing me, bro. Making noise, use a beat, bro. Whoa, whoa. I press the button and the doors go off like, whoa. That money clip us now, the new now looks like, whoa.
As you can tell, we just washed her off. A lot of the rust is gone. Now we are going to go in with the pH wash and wash the whole Jeep, and then we're going to clay bar the whole thing. Alright, so now I'm going to dry the whole thing off with the synthetic chamois, starting from the top, working your way down.
Okay, so we just finished drying the entire vehicle. We're going to use a clay bar. So what we're going to do with this is we're going to knead it down so it looks like this. We're going to spray our lubricant on it. You have to make sure that it is moist the whole time. Do not wipe it without lubricant because it will scratch your vehicle. So what the clay bar is going to do, it's going to remove any dust, grime, dirt, anything that's on there that shouldn't be on there, that we don't want to be on there before we do the ceramic coat.
whole Jeep. Looks fantastic. Now I'm just going to spray her down, wash it again, and then ceramic coat it. As you can see, there's no little rust spots left on the Jeep at all. Looks really good. So the Jeep's all clean and dry, so now we're going to apply this ceramic prep onto the Jeep. So we will be putting it on this front panel here in straight lines. We're going to do one panel at a time. Alright, so now we're going to do the ceramic coating. So what we're going to do is we're going to apply the ceramic coating onto this cloth, and then we're going to put it onto the panel. Once you start to see the beads form, you're going to buff it with this red cloth. You're going to do it in a straight line, as you did before. And then you're going to wait about 3 minutes and then buff it off. All right, so now it's starting to bead. So now we're going to buff it with this cloth. Make sure you constantly move the cloth around so you get some dry spots on the cloth. So make sure to buff it. Alright guys, so it's all ceramic coated and buffed. Now you're just going to keep the vehicle out of the sun, dust, and rain for 4 hours, and don't wash your vehicle for 24 hours. Thank you for watching my video. Like, subscribe, and just give her.
Just give her, girl.